you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me.
Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Sonae. Hope everyone is having a good day. Today I'm going to be bringing you what fits in my Steve Madden wristlet. Okay, and also I have a purchase that I made from AliExpress that I'm going to show you also. Okay, so first of all, I guess we will get into the unboxing of what I purchased from AliExpress first, and then we'll get into the Steve Madden bag. Okay. So here it is. I already took it out the box, and here it is. As you can see, it's the tote bag. Okay. So here it is. Here it is. I thought it was so cute. And I don't mind that the letters are off right here like that. It doesn't matter to me, honey. I just like the bag, and I like the size of it. It's just right. It's not too big, not too small. It's just right for me. Yeah, just the right size. So yeah, so this is it. It has gold hardware. So yeah, and then the white lettering on the front that says the tote bag, and that's the bottom of it. So I'm gonna open it up. All right, go, like I said, gold hardware, zipper pull. That's how it looks in the inside. And then you have a flap right here in the back. And then this is the strap, which I went on, took the paper. Well, like I said, I took the paper. I tried to make it less stuff to do. So here's the crossbody strap. It came with paper on it, but I took it off. But yeah, this is the crossbody strap. And it's adjustable. So yeah, if you in the crossbody straps, which I'm not, but you know, I like that it's adjustable though, so you can you know, adjust it to whatever length you want. So yeah, that's it with the crossbody strap on it. Yeah, but yeah, I like it. I like it, and I know I'm a top handle girl, so I know I'm gonna hold it like this when I take it. But yeah, who knows? I might adjust if I can get the strap adjusted all the way to the bag. Then I might leave the strap on here, which is, I don't think so. It's still gonna be too long for me. Yeah, but anyway, yeah. So this is it. I got it from AliExpress. Yep. Well, all right, but like I said, I love it. So yeah. All right. So I'm just gonna put the straps back inside, and then I think I have accessories to already match this. Okay, so let me go over and look at my accessories over here, and I'll be right back. Okay. All right, I thought I did, and here it is. Juicy Couture wallet and card case. It matches the bag. So yeah, I don't have to worry about getting anything to match, and I got other things too, I know. So yeah, so I already got something to match the bag, so I'm happy about that. So yeah. All right, well, that is it on that. So now I'm gonna move over to my Steve Madden wristlet. I got this wristlet right here from I want to say Ross. I think I got it from Ross. Yeah, but anyway, let me pull my chair up so I feel far away. Okay, now, but yeah, hey, purchased this from Ross. I thought it was so cute. Of course, pink. I loved it. I accessorized it with one of these wristlet. I thought it was so cute with the butterfly that I got from Shein. And then it had the little white pearl on it. I thought it was just right for this bag because it has the white writing on it. So I thought I'd add it on here. And I did keep the wristlet on here just to carry it by. But yeah, so yeah, I just left that on there. But even with, it looks cute. I mean, to me, it looks cute with it. And it also looks cute without it, because I tried it with it and without it. Yeah, so here it is without it. That's how it looks without it. But, you know, I didn't want to depend on this and, you know, tear this up by trying to use it as a wristlet, because it will fit around my arm. But yeah, I don't want to, you know, mess it up or anything. So that's why I just put this back on to the wristlet. So yeah, but anyway, I just thought that was a cute accent to the little wristlet. Yep, so, okay. So now we're going to see what I have inside the wristlet. Okay, we're going to start, I guess we'll start at the back pocket. The back pocket, I have, okay, you can see, I have my lip balm. I have some tissues. And also, last but not least, I have this little case that I got from Shein, and I have some hand sanitizers in here and some antibacterial wipes and a feminine wipe. So yeah, so I got those items in this little pink bag. Okay, so that's all that's in the back. All right, in the front, this is how it looks in the front. I have my wallet. This is a wallet just for like cards or cash. So yeah, so I have that in there. And this is Juicy Couture. Okay. With the little heart on the side. Okay. Next I have in here is my card case from Juicy Couture, because I thought the pink go good with the pink of this bag. So yeah, so that's why I just used it. So yeah, which have my cards in there. Okay, next I have some hand sanitizer, and this is, the kind is Bubbly Rose. Okay, got that in there. Also have this little notebook in there, so just in case I need to write down anything, and I thought it went good with the bag also. So yeah, I got that in there. And last but not least, I have this pen that came from the Dollar Tree. I have that in there also. Okay, so yeah, that is what I have in this little wristlet. I think that is everything that I need to take with me when I run out to the store or whatever, or yeah. So, all right, well, I will come back and show you everything that was in my wristlet. Okay, everyone, this is everything that I have in my little Steve Madden wristlet. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post another video. Until next time, everybody have a great day. Bye.